So it's nearly Father's Day, and I don't know what to get my husband. I'm really aware that it's really easy just to give presents that are just bits of tack that you don't actually really need, just to sort of fulfill a present. So when I was thinking about what I could get my husband, I was thinking of maybe a keychain or things like this, and I thought actually he doesn't need anything. So I had a better idea. I thought I would upcycle a bottle. So we've got a bottle left over from our wedding. We got married, oh God, a while ago now. How long ago were we? 8 years ago. And this is the last bottle of the Prosecco from our wedding. And we've just held on to it because it's a sort of nice momentum, but it's in a cupboard and, you know, we don't even ever see it, so it might as well not be there. So I thought I would turn it into a lamp. So I have got a kit from Needcraft. Really easy. You get the fitting to turn any bottle into a lamp, and I'll just show you how easy it is. Because it's just got a bit at the end and you just squeeze it in. Oh, hopefully. Oh, goodness me. Lucky I've been working out, hey? So there we go. Suddenly your bottle is a light, which I love. So the next stage is to make a lampshade for it. I think it will probably go in his office, on his desk, his new home desk. So I wanted something that was kind of quite dark and masculine, but I love this so much. It's a velvet and it's just a remnant, so only a tiny bit left. But if I make a drum shade, it will probably be a really good shape to show this off. And it also gives a bit of texture when you add some velvet to a rim. So let's get going, let's get making.
Just hold on a minute, this part is nearly finished, you'll get a fresh start.
Ta-da! I did it. That came out really well because it's velvet, it catches lots of the lint, so I need to rub that down a bit. That's the seam, and that's the front. It looks smart, doesn't it? Right, so let's have the grand, exciting bit. We put it on this bit. Right. How does that look? It's pretty cool, isn't it? Really? I know what my husband's going to say. Another lampshade. Yes, you can never have too many lampshades in your life. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that. Keep your bottles, upcycle them, and get all your fittings from Needcraft. The Dannells website has everything you need, so